In this video, you'll learn how to design and style your email in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to create visually appealing emails that engage your audience effectively. To begin, navigate to the Mailchimp homepage using your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see your dashboard displaying various options related to your account. If prompted, sign in with your credentials to access your account. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Campaigns on the left-hand sidebar. This will take you to a section where you can manage your email campaigns. After this, look for the email templates option and click on it to view the available templates. Once you are on the email templates page, click on the All tab to see all the templates available for your use. This section allows you to explore various pre-designed templates or create a new one. If you prefer to start with a blank canvas, select Create from Scratch. If you want to use custom HTML, you can click on Code Your Own. This option allows you to input your own HTML for greater control over the design. Alternatively, you can choose a pre-designed template by scrolling through the options and selecting one that suits your needs. After selecting a template or starting from scratch, click on the Create Email button to begin the editing process. This action will open the email editor where you can customize your email's design and content. In the email editor, focus on the Style and Layout options. Click on this section to access various styling features that allow you to modify the layout and aesthetics of your email. You will see options for adjusting styles, backgrounds, and colors. Next, click on Styles to open the Styles menu. Here you can change font styles, sizes, and other text-related options to ensure your email aligns with your branding. After making adjustments, click on Background to set the background color for your. To change the background color, click on Background Color. A color picker will appear, allowing you to select your desired hue. After that, click on Body Color to adjust the outermost background color of your email. Continue by clicking on Mobile Padding to ensure your email is responsive and looks good on mobile devices. Adjust the padding values to an aesthetics on smaller screens. Then click on Text to modify the text settings. You can change text alignment, size, and color here. Once you are satisfied with your changes, click on Done to save your adjustments. Next, you can click on Style to access more advanced styling options. This section will allow you to apply unique styles to specific elements of your email. Afterward, click on Logo to upload or change the logo associated with your email. Following this, click on Align to select how your logo and text will be positioned. For instance, you can choose Left to align your logo to the left side of the email layout. Click on Divider to have visual separation between sections of your email. This can help improve the overall flow and organization of your content. To add links, click on Link. This allows you to insert hyperlinks within your email, directing readers to your website or other resources. You can also add additional text or images by clicking on Text or Images respectively. Once you finalize your email design, click on Save and Exit. This will ensure all your changes are stored and you can return to them later if needed. You have now successfully designed and styled your email in Mailchimp. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.